A random sample of Year 12 students was taken from which the 95% confidence interval for the proportion of students who planned to do a gap year before going to work or pursuing further study was calculated. This was calculated as 0.163, 0.277. We want to determine p hat, the margin of error, and the sample size. So p hat must lie exactly in the middle of this interval. So if we just do the mean, 0.163 plus 0.277 over 2, that should give us this, and I've already done it on the calculator over here. It's 0.22. The margin of error then is just going to be the distance from the centre to one of these. So 0.277, take away 0.22, I've done that as well, 0.057. And of course that is the margin of error, which is what we're trying to find. And we need that to find the sample size, because the margin of error is going to be equal to the z-score, which is 1.96 for 95%. So 1.96 multiplied by the square root of 0.22 multiplied by 1 take away 0.22, all divided by n. We're trying to find n here, and I've actually solved this equation already, so I would give the answer as 203. So we want to now construct a 99% confidence interval for the same sample. So that's going to be 0.22 take away, now we need the 99% z-score, and that's 2.576, we'll call that. So 2.576 multiplied by the square root of 0.22 times 0.78 divided by 203, and then of course we'll have 0.22 plus the same thing. So 0.22 times 0.78 over 203. So 0.22 multiplied by the z-score, which is 2.576. Sorry, that's not a multiply, that's a subtract just in there. And then multiply. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy that and then change this x here to 203, and that gives me 0.145, and then just do the same calculation, changing that to a plus, and 0.295. And what we should see with that answer is it's just slightly wider than the one we had to start with, because this is 99%.